Hi there, welcome to John's Workshop. Today I'm going to start building the Technic Planet Earth and Moon in Orbit set. So let's get building. We got the book. And some stickers. So there's the stickers with the months on them, or the moon cycles there. Okay, I got everything sorted here, so let's get started. Okay, here we go. On this first part, just starting with the start, and we got a 7 beam and a longer beam here, a 15 beam. Okay, we need 2 more long blue pins and a ball joint. And now we have the black 13 beam, and it's going to be the beam. There's 2-sided ones over here, and I think that is the right way to go. Oh, wait a second, that's not the right way to go at all. Put that there, and then that goes there, and then we have another, we have a stud pin. Put that there. Oh, here's where all the pins go, I guess. So we have that one, we have 4, and a space, and then another one. Okay, and then this one of these axles. The lip on it. Okay, I see, and then we're gonna put another red 7 beam down here with a ball joint in there. So there's that. Okay, this is one of the legs, I guess. And we take we got tires in here. Get one of the tires out. So we put 2 of these 1.5 in the tire, and a 5 half beam, and then stud pin, or axle pin, and an axle. Okay. Now that goes on the black side this way. Now we have a red beam with the axle and a gear. First gear. Many, I expect quite a few gears, of course. There we go. And that should go right there. No, it's not gonna go right there at all. Oh, it's supposed to go on. Okay, there we go. That can go right there. I'm gonna lose multi-pin connections. Oh. The T-bar, T-beam, right on there. And this big ring. Got an axle pin, goes into the one of the axle holes. And then that is supposed to go in. Supposed to go right there. It's supposed to go on top of the other axle. Okay. That goes there, and then, oh, that's popping out there, and then that goes there. Okay, there we go. And a collar onto this red axle, collar onto this gray axle. Okay, and then, oh, We start with the gray beam, put a black pin in the middle. I can find the middle there. And then 2 ball joints. Two long blue pins. And the 2-sided beam goes like that. Stud pin goes there. The last 2 long blue pins. Okay, that one goes like that. And then this one goes here. And the other 2-sided beam. Stud pin. And these two of these 5 beams in dark gray. Like that. Then we have 2 more of these wheels. Okay, and we put the same deal. Put the pin and a halves in. The 5 half beams. And an axle. An axle pin. Okay. Good. And gray beams go up, and those go in like that. There we go. Now put some colors on those axles. Okay, that popped through a bit. Don't want that. Okay, and now we take that and we take the first part and we pop. That looks like that space there goes right on that black pin. Now we take 3 yellow axles, put them in those wheels. Okay, there we go. And now these curved gear pieces here. Oh, this can go back and forth from the looks of it. So they go on. Now, how am I supposed to put that? I don't see, this actually matters, so that has to go on. Okay, let's take that and pop that up. So we're on this side. These 2 are the ones that get hooked together. These 2 yellow axles, and we push that down. Okay, those 2 yellow axles connect there, and then on the other side, just this yellow axle is holding this one. Gonna go in there, I think. And then we take the other one, flip it around, and make sure that connects there. Make that side of the gear. Now it's this axle with a beam on it, 1x1 beam, and make sure these are the right way because I did make that mistake on the AT-AT. And oh, okay, don't push it all the way through. There we go. And now hook that up over here. Let's make sure that's not going to push the yellow one through, and push that through over here. Is it going to go all the way in? I don't know. I think we might need the other wheel first. So there's this wheel. The long axle pin. And we're not gonna do it the same way, I guess. Okay. It's like that, and that goes in the middle. Okay. So then that's supposed to go like this. Okay, that's interesting. And then, so that's gonna go into that axle hole there. Like that. There we go. That goes right on in like that. Okay, now we have these white 90-degree connectors, and they go on either side here, pointing outward. Okay. And then a collar goes on the other one. Okay, that's right. Just making sure these axles aren't getting just like pushed all the way through. And now this kind of T-pin. We got two of those, and they connect. They connect on this side with that going like that. And same thing over here. Just get that on there. A little tricky. Yeah, it doesn't want to. There we go. And that goes like so. Facing that way. And we have two black pins. Four black pins. So we need the pins that go in the T. And pins that go in the middle of these gray 5 beams. And then we have two axle pins go in towards the middle here. Okay, that's those. Okay, just put that there. Start. Oh, we have. And here's the actual last long blue pin. Go. We got the frame. Don't push it all the way through, I guess. And then the black pins here, we're going to put those around like so. Okay, and now got the llama pin bar. And we have this axle. Pop that on, and this littler or medium gray gear, and then the small dark gray gear, along with the beam, the two-sided beam. Go on like that. Oh, and that goes over here. Those two pins. There we go. Okay, we have these two frames. Okay, and then these 90-degree beam to axle connector. Okay, those connect up to these black pins on the outside. Like that. Putting this T-pin over here. Okay, and then that is supposed to go here. So this is supposed to slide in. Where does that slide in there? It's like that, and then I do believe these are supposed to actually push down. So yeah, there we go. Everything's together. Okay, that's making it nice and solid there. Okay, and then these are supposed to fold down. Okay, like that. And then we put in these axles. Okay, now back on top here, and we're putting this gear meshing with the other gray gear, and that connects the big one to these two small ones. So that has been part 1 of my Technic Planet Earth and Moon in Orbit build, and we just got the base started here. So if you'd like to see more, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and take it easy.